Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to insert 1000 rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your spreadsheet, Google Sheet. Open your document or create blank spreadsheet. Example, I open this. Okay, then step 1, click to this icon, then right click on your mouse, insert 1000 rows above and insert 1000 rows below. Choose your above or below. And now we can see this inserted 1000 row. And step 2, hold shift, hold arrow key, hold shift and hold arrow key. Then example, select your rows, right click on your mouse, insert rows below or above. Click. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.